Welcome you all once again in this session. In this module, we are going to see a video about the topic and from grade 7 English. So, in this topic, in this picture itself, you can understand uh, what are the pictures you can see. Yeah, you can see the bear and rabbit, and one doctor is there. He's the one giving treatment to the bear, right? So, when it comes to the location, what you can see, it seems to be a forest, right? So the title is Vet in the Forest. Vet means veterinary doctor. Okay, so that's what given here. That's what the name of the topic, Vet in the Forest. So by seeing this topic, what you can understand? Yeah. So that's the doctor who's giving treatment to the animal. That is what the story about the topic is. Okay. So and in this story is all about the elephant that it was injured in the forest, and this veterinary doctor is going to give treatment to that elephant. We all know that when it comes to the animal in the forest, you could see you can't see the animal uh, individually, right? You can see it will be, it will along with its herd, along with group. Okay, and that is what same like that here in this story. There's an elephant. So let's read this words. The sentence given here, you can see it became very difficult for the veterinary officer to treat the injured elephant because the herd of elephants did not stay at one place. They continue moving from one place to another. That's why I've told, if the doctor if the doctor is giving treatment, is trying to give treatment to the injured elephant or animal, it won't be stay alone. Okay, it will be always with its herd. So we need to split the injured elephant or injured animal from that herd, and then we need to give the treatment to that particular injured animal. So same thing, the whole lesson is all about the doctor how he is giving the treatment to that elephant. So this lesson is written by the author Tritikanda Lagiri Chaudhary, and let us know something about him. He was born on September 1931 and was died at in March 1, 2019. He was an Indian Bengali author and expert on Indian elephants. So he's an expert in Indian elephants. So what he has done is he just collected many things about Indian elephants, and he has written a novel. He has given us a novel called A Trunk Full of Tales. A Trunk Full of Tales. And now our chapter is also taken from this book. We have only a small story about an elephant, and that story is taken from this novel, A Trunk Full of Tales, and it was written by the author. So let us discuss a short summary of this lesson. So topic is vet in the forest, which means there's a veterinary doctor in the forest, and it was written by the author Tridi K. Lagiri Chaudhary, and he's an Indian Bengali writer, as I told already. So let's start the summary here. March 1991, East Medinipur Forest Division. A young tusker in a herd of about 50 elephant injures its leg, stumbling over a saltry stump or a broken bamboo. Yet, it cannot be separated from its herd long enough to be treated because its companion always come back to it even if they are chased away. A three-member team from the wildlife wing of the forest department sets out for the spot. They are wondering how to locate the herd when a young man from a local tribe approaches them and tells them where the injured animal can be found. He has been taking food to it with his help. The team traces the elephant. Next, they need to separate it from its herd. Again, the local people help. They fire crackers to chase away the herd. The injured tusker is then located and approached. So, from this, in the first paragraph, what what the story is all about? It's about, so in March 1991, that's in Forest Division. It is in Medinipur Division. It's a Forest Division, and there's an elephant. That's what they are mentioned as young tusker. Okay, that's a young elephant. So it was there. It was injured along among 50 elephants. Okay, it was injured among the 50 elephants, and there he was standing somewhere that like a stagnant, right? Because he was injured. He just moving here and there, and there's some tribal people are there. They know that there's an elephant with injury. Okay, so they just gave information to the forest officers. So forest officers came to the forest, and they are searching for the injured elephant, but they can't. It's difficult to them to find out the injured elephant. So one of the young man in the tribal people, they he just take the team to the injured elephant. Finally, they found the injured elephant in the forest. He started, and they just separated. I mean, they have to wait to separate the injured elephant, and they need to treat elephant that they need to uh, give treatment to that small elephant. Yeah, the young elephant. So they just practicing for that. They try to separate elephant. They're just chasing the other herds from that, making that injured elephant alone, and then they are giving the treatment. So let's go for the next para. At the crucial moment when the animal has finally been spotted and there is little time to lose, it turns out that the syringes with the tranquilizer are not ready. The officer has no experience of treating elephants and thus has not prepared the syringes as he prepares them. Calmly and carefully, the frightened elephant begins to move. So you could see, this is a moment they just finally found the injured elephant, and there they need to give the treatment right now. And you know that doctor is not experienced. He's not an experienced guy, so he doesn't know how to be ready with that. How to, because they need to separate that elephant from the herd, right? So it was somewhat, it may be a tough situation. It's difficult to them. So he's not ready actually. He has no experience about treating the animal, like maybe it's a first experience, like, okay. So he has not experienced, so he's not ready with the syringes and uh, injections. Okay, so finally they caught the elephant, and then as he prepares them calmly and carefully, the frightened elephant begins to move. Finally they start, he was ready now, but the elephant starts to move from the place. So then what happens? See, in front of the team, between them and the patient, are a number of saltries trunks. Behind them, a group of villagers ready to offer advice. Once the elephant passes, the officer fires his dart gun. The arrow hits the animal. After falls over sideways, the team examines it and treats it, flowing out the infected blood, administering antibiotic, tying bandage, and so on. So you could see, now the elephant is trying to move from the place, but they just started to hit that elephant with dart gun. You could see, which is mixed up with drug. Okay, so it makes the elephant to become unconscious, right? So after that, they go near to that elephant, a young elephant, and they just started to treat the elephant, give treatment to that elephant, and they have some antibiotic and tying bandage, and finally dress the elephant. I mean, dressed in the sense, dressing the wound. And this is how the story ends with: the elephant is now supposed to wake up, but it doesn't. At the same time, its companions, ever patient and loyal, are already on their way back to him. The team wants to wait till the elephant regains consciousness, but it is not possible. No tree that can support a machine, and one can spend the night on the ground near 50 wild elephants. So they return to the rest house and learn later much to their relief that the elephant had recovered during the night and was taken away by the herd. So you could see everything was over. They gave treatment. They just dressed the elephant, dressed the wound of the elephant. Finally, what happens? It now actually the young elephant was in the unconscious stage. So they need to wait for here the the veterinary doctor and forest officer team is waiting there for the recovery of that young elephant. So they can't wait near to it because already that herd was loyal to that young elephant, because they will come again for this young elephant. The other elephant will come again to this young elephant to take that elephant along with them, right? So these doctor and forest officers are waiting aside. After the young elephant getting consciousness, it start walk, and finally that elephant go along with its herd. This is what how the story ends with. And this last para is all about the story, how it ends with, and how about the story. You could see this is a non-fiction report made interesting with relevant facts, details, and a problem solutions, styling of reporting. At each step a speaker and his team face a problem, how to locate the elephant. So this is a moral, how the speaker and the veterinary doctor and the fast officers, how they tackle the situation. That's what the story is all about. That's what I given in the last para. This also maintains suspense as the reader doesn't know at any point what the next step will be. The text serves as an example of the wonderful patience and loyalty of elephants, and a feel good case study of how human beings can work for the benefits of their fellow creatures. So, how this is what the moral of the story, how the human being can work for the benefits of their fellow creatures. That's what. So, I hope you all understand. Thank you very much.